Sometimes music sparks from movement, and with the Rukus FX handheld music mixer, motion becomes melody. Designed for intuitive control, this compact performance tool lets your hands lead the rhythm. Outfitted with a built-in speaker, a USB-C port, and a headphone jack, Rukus FX is ready for any environment, solo sessions, or live gatherings. Dive into the mixer's library of 120 customizable tracks and 80 punchy sound effects. You can build beats by selecting built-in sounds or loading your own. Experience the next level of home security with the Aqara U200 door lock, a sleek and powerful solution designed for modern living. Engineered with a fingerprint keypad included, it offers seamless, keyless entry for added convenience. Built on matter-over-thread technology, it ensures stable, energy-efficient connectivity, giving homeowners reliable access control without compromise. The lock fully supports Apple Home Key integration, allowing quick unlocking with just a tap of your iPhone or Apple Watch. Enhance your outdoor cooking experience with practical tools designed to elevate every meal. The innovative design allows for effortless portability, making it ideal for camping or hiking trips. Maximize your storage efficiency by strategically packing your alcohol stove and essential accessories into compact compartments, giving you more space for other gear. This thoughtful design ensures you can carry everything you need without compromising on comfort. The DJI Mic 2 redefines wireless audio with cutting-edge features tailored for creators seeking reliable, high-quality sound. Equipped with intelligent noise cancellation, this microphone ensures crystal-clear recordings even in the most challenging environments. The advanced 32-bit float internal recording allows for flawless sound capture, providing flexibility in post-production with minimal risk of clipping. Its impressive 820-foot range ensures versatility, offering plenty of freedom for both indoor and outdoor shoots. When the thrill of racing meets the precision of engineering, you get Winsible, the compact wind tunnel that transforms your desk into a testing ground for your Diecast cars. Designed for serious enthusiasts, this gadget doesn't just sit pretty beside your monitor. It brings air, speed, and science right to your fingertips. Built with a love for both model cars and real-world aerodynamics, Winsible lets you simulate airflow like an F1 team. Savor every sip with full control at your fingertips. Multiflow introduces a smarter way to hydrate without worrying about burns or messy splashes. Thanks to its intuitive dimmer system, you can fine-tune the flow to match your perfect pace. Whether you crave a bold, hearty gulp or a careful, measured sip, the graduated flow adjustment gives you precision unlike anything before. Simply twist the dial to increase or decrease the flow to your liking. It's not just about comfort, it's about protecting your mouth from unexpected scalds and spills. Harnessing the elements for reliable power, the Shine 2.0 delivers a next-generation charging experience wherever the wind blows. Engineered around a 50-watt rated wind turbine generator, this compact system captures energy efficiently in diverse environments. Designed with a powerful 75-watt USB-C PD fast charging capability, it ensures your devices, including laptops and tablets, stay operational even miles away from traditional outlets. Weighing just 3 pounds, the Shine 2.0 balances portability with performance. Plug in and unlock a dynamic layer of productivity with a streamlined one-cable secondary screen designed for precision and flexibility. Measuring just under 7 inches diagonally, this compact device enhances your workflow whether you're monitoring stocks, tracking news, or staying on top of real-time trends. It integrates seamlessly into any desk setup, using a single USB-C connection for both power and data transfer. Plantone 2.0 is a modern solution to effortless plant care, combining convenience with technology to keep your plants thriving. This innovative system requires minimal attention, ensuring a hassle-free experience. Simply plant your seeds, fill the water tank, and plug in the unit. Plantone will handle the rest, providing your plants with everything they need to grow healthily. What makes Plantone stand out is its use of regular soil, eliminating the need for expensive plant pods. The Aseal World First 4K Smart Portable Quad Monitor redefines the limits of portable display technology, offering an unmatched visual experience. This innovative monitor features a unique 4-screen display, delivering 4 separate screens in one compact unit. Each screen boasts 4K Ultra HD resolution, ensuring crystal clear images and vibrant colors for a truly immersive viewing experience. Designed for ultimate convenience, the Aseal monitor is equipped with 4 smart functional buttons, allowing users to easily control each screen's settings. Built for utility and weekend escapes, this collapsible wagon from Black + Decker blends strength with mobility in a design made for real-world demands. Measuring 31.1 inches long, 21.2 inches wide, and 22.1 inches deep, it offers a generous cargo space without being bulky. Capable of hauling up to 176 pounds of gear, it's ideal for beach days, tailgating setups, or hauling tools around the yard. The wagon's heavy-duty all-terrain wheels ensure a steady ride over sand, gravel, or uneven paths. Logitech WaveKeys offers an ergonomic design that prioritizes comfort without compromising productivity. Its compact size brings the mouse closer to your body, encouraging a more natural shoulder position, unlike traditional full-sized keyboards. WaveKeys takes comfort further with its wavy layout, which naturally aligns your hands, wrists, and forearms for a more relaxed typing experience, reducing strain during long work sessions. Under blazing sun or beneath starlit skies, the Everfrost 240-liter electric cooler operates with rugged efficiency, making it a top-tier option for overlanders, campers, and weekend anglers. This 42-quart mobile refrigerator holds up to 54 cans and integrates a robust 288 watt-hour battery system that runs quietly and steadily, keeping contents chilled between -4 degrees Fahrenheit and 68 degrees Fahrenheit. In aerial cinematography, clarity, control, and endurance define excellence, and the DJI Air 3S raises that bar. Tailored for serious travelers and photographers, this drone introduces a refined 1-inch CMOS main camera that captures sharp, expressive imagery, even in dimly lit moments like dusk and nighttime. Shoot in cinematic 4K at 60 frames per second with HDR, unleashing up to 14 stops of dynamic range to showcase cloud layers, reflections, and fine textures with clarity. The Dream X50 Ultra Robot Vacuum and Mop offers a seamless cleaning experience for modern homes. Equipped with 20,000 Pascal suction power, this device provides a thorough deep clean, efficiently picking up dust, dirt, and debris across multiple surfaces. Its advanced obstacle avoidance technology ensures smooth navigation around furniture and obstacles, preventing any bumps or interruptions to its cleaning path. The Superbase V offers a groundbreaking solution for home energy storage, designed to meet the demands of modern households with unmatched efficiency. With a robust capacity of up to 64 kilowatt-hours, this system can power essential devices for extended periods, whether for daily use or during an emergency. Its dual voltage output of 120 or 240 volts ensures compatibility with a wide range of household appliances, making it versatile for various applications. Slip into a future of seamless intelligence with the Halliday's Ultimate Pair, AI glasses built for minds that never rest. Weighing just 1.23 ounces, these featherlight glasses carry the force of a proactive AI assistant embedded within an invisible display, ensuring your view remains unobstructed while your focus sharpens. Bring refinement to the wild with the Dukin Loft Penthouse. Designed to transform any campsite or backyard into a stylish retreat. This rooftop tent isn't just gear, it's an upgrade. Elevate your outdoor experience with a sleek aluminum shell that opens in seconds. The interior boasts 7 feet of length and nearly 4.3 feet of headroom, offering ample space for 2 adults to stretch, relax, and rest. Breathable mesh windows and dual skylights invite cross breezes and stargazing. The Getter X smart glasses combine cutting-edge technology with convenience, delivering a truly hands-free experience. Designed for those who are always on the move, these glasses allow users to access apps, translate languages, and manage daily tasks seamlessly. With direct app downloads, you can quickly install your favorite applications directly onto the glasses, reducing the need for a smartphone. Featuring real-time translation, the Getter X smart glasses are ideal for travelers and professionals in global environments. In a world driven by precision, the Ringcon Smart Ring brings a refined approach to personal wellness without compromising comfort or style. Start your journey with the Ringcon Sizing Kit, an essential step to ensure the perfect fit before making your final purchase. Once you're set, dive into a seamless health monitoring experience backed by a one-time investment and 0 subscription fees. Ideas move faster when tools adapt to how we think. This device isn't just futuristic, it's built for the now. With a ChatGPT-powered core, it anticipates your questions, refines your prompts, and delivers smarter outputs on the fly. Flick your wrist and you're in control. Its precision, gesture, recognition responds instantly, transforming hand movements into commands with no lag. As an Air mouse, it replaces clunky peripherals with effortless motion, ideal for presentations across 10 feet of open space. The Unitree Go-To is an advanced robot dog that blends cutting-edge technology with remarkable agility. Designed for both novice and experienced robot enthusiasts, the Go-To offers a wide range of capabilities tailored to various skill levels. The Go-To Air model is ideal for beginners, with basic movements such as walking and running, while the Go-To Pro model is more sophisticated, featuring additional advanced gaits and increased challenge for enthusiasts seeking a deeper experience. The Key Unity KF02 Titanium Multi-Tool Carabiner Clip is a practical, compact solution for those who enjoy outdoor adventures. Its titanium construction ensures both strength and lightweight portability, making it ideal for camping, hiking, and other outdoor activities. The 7-in-1 functionality includes a flashlight, which is bright enough for nighttime navigation, along with a bottle opener, screwdriver, and knife blade. The AeroGarden Harvest 2.0 is an innovative, compact hydroponic garden designed to seamlessly blend into your home, while providing an easy and efficient way to grow your favorite plants indoors. With its sleek design, it offers a smart and stylish solution for cultivating fresh herbs, vegetables, and flowers year-round without the need for soil. The newly redesigned features of the Harvest 2.0 enhance the growing experience. Eyelick is a dynamic and interactive robot that brings fun and companionship to anyone seeking an engaging experience. Designed with an emotional touch, Eyelick reacts to various interactions by expressing a wide range of emotions. Tap its head, belly, or back and watch it change moods, from gentle to playful, or even temperamental. Its reactions are designed to match your touch, making each moment a unique experience. Ideal for both children and adults, Eyelick offers an array of mini-games to enjoy. Crafted for those who value precision and security, the Oh My Key offers a seamless blend of biometric innovation and personal control. This isn't just another access tool, it's a fingerprint-secured device built to match your pace, your privacy, and your priorities. With your fingerprint as the key, Oh My Key transforms your fingertip into your identity, giving you one personalized touchpoint for access to what matters most. Built on a foundation of biometric access, Oh My Key eliminates the need for traditional keys or vulnerable passwords. Elevate your home's atmosphere with a sleek, modern frame that blends timeless design with digital convenience. The PhotoShare 8-inch Wi-Fi digital picture frame in black wood delivers elegance and function, displaying cherished memories in vivid 1080p HD on a responsive touchscreen. Built to hold over 5,000 photos thanks to its 8GB internal memory, this frame transforms any space into a rotating gallery of personal moments. Living better begins at home. Ultra-Human Home advances home technology into new territory, delivering personalized environmental health insights to elevate how you live and rest. Sleek yet powerful, it monitors the crucial elements: air quality, temperature, humidity, light, and noise to reveal how your environment shapes your health. For the first time, home health data links directly to your lifestyle, identifying passive factors like PM, CO2, and formaldehyde that impact your health over time. With a design inspired by a submarine, this humidifier brings a unique blend of style and functionality to any room. Its sleek, compact body stands out with a vivid color scheme that adds a touch of elegance, while the carefully crafted details enhance its visual appeal. The humidifier is not just a piece of decor, but a practical addition to your home. Capture the distant thrill of nature or the electrifying energy of a concert right from your pocket. This ultra-portable 400mm telephoto lens transforms your smartphone into a professional-grade camera built for serious zoom and clarity. Whether you're tracking a red-tailed hawk from 600 feet away or freezing a spotlight moment on stage, you'll get crisp, cinematic bokeh with no grain, even under low-light skies. Equipped with multi-layered glass elements and precision-aligned optics, this lens brings full-frame clarity to every shot. Unlike standard digital zoom, this glass compresses depth and sharpens focus across long distances, delivering true 400mm performance without distortion. The Nostalgia Retro drink maker brings a classic touch of soda fountain charm to your kitchen. With its vintage-inspired design, it's not just about making drinks, it's about recreating the magic of old-fashioned milkshakes and malts. This versatile machine is perfect for crafting thick milkshakes, malted drinks, and even health-conscious beverages, making it a fun addition to any home kitchen. Equipped with a 100-watt motor, this milkshake maker offers 2 speeds for precise control over drink consistency. Introducing the iFrameX Pro, a dynamic way to revive your idle tablet or smartphone. This innovative solution breathes new life into your unused devices by turning them into a powerful, multifunctional display. With the iFrameX Pro, your device transforms into a smart hub that shows real-time weather updates, time with a flip clock feature, stock market information, and more. As a seamless interface, iFrameX Pro provides the ability to monitor your calendar, keeping you organized throughout the day, and offering a task board for easy tracking of activities.